Hi, I'm Professor Anand. In episode 33 of Brand Snippets, we will talk about data driven marketing and data driven storytelling. Now, we have data all around us. We are proliferated with data, it is the new oil. And in marketing, you're getting data from various sources from your social media sites, from your website, from your e commerce platform, from your retail and sales automation backend, from your sales funnel, so on and so forth. Now, all this data is of no use if it is not used for taking intelligent marketing decisions. Now, today, data has become big data and there are a lot of complex tools to analyze this data, starting from the very basic Excel if you have low volume of data, right up to very advanced big data tools. However, let's not get obsessed and carried away with the tools. The important thing is how do we use this data to take more informed and better marketing decisions. And that's where the idea of data storytelling comes in. Now, whether the tool is advanced or very basic, whether the data is of high volume or less volume, that's irrelevant. What is important is how do you use the data? So, there is a simple three-step process of using data, which is nothing new. It has existed for many years, even before all this fancy data analytics stuff came in. And this three-step process is number one, what? What is the data telling us? The interpretation. What do we interpret from the data? What do we take out from the data? Having done the interpretation of what the data is telling us, the next and more important stuff is why is it saying so? The insights. If the data is telling us X, Y, Z, why? Why? A deep probe. And that is very important because data telling us something on its own cannot be used unless we deep dive into why is it saying so? What is the insights we have behind this data point? And having understood the insight, the third step is how the implementation. What do we do with this understanding? How do we implement or use it to solve a marketing problem or address a marketing opportunity or take a marketing decision? So remember, data storytelling, irrespective of the volume, the complexity, the amount of data and the tools we use to analyze data is a three-step process. What is the data telling us? Why is it telling us this? And how can we use that learning to take better marketing decisions? So, very simply put, if you don't do these three things and just keep crunching data for the sake of crunching data, then it is of no use to man or beast. Thanks for watching. Comments are welcome. Goodbye and God bless.